Hey Mark, hope you're well, mate. Happy Friday. I just thought I'd shoot you a quick video through that could automate the process here for you. So if you don't have access to Pipeline anymore, no worries. I can still send them directly over to you, all the leads when they come through, straight out of Campaign Monitor. So not sure if you remember this little program, but I have given you access to it. If you, let's have a look. Yeah. So if you have a look at this email here, let me know if it hasn't come through. But how you will, if you do have access, if you don't, I'll just send it through again to you. But once you get into here, what you can do is go to list and subscribers, and I've set up this lead form list here. So any lead that comes through on Facebook is connected to this list. So you can see there's 56 subscribers on there. So that's 56 leads that have come through so far over the last however many weeks we've been running the campaign. So in order to download them and export them, I'll do it now just to show you, but you can go into export here. I'll just pull them all out with phone number, postcode, and I'll shoot that over to you in an email. But how you can set up automations in emails so you can get an email every time a lead comes through or instantly, so they're hot when you get the email and you can contact them within 24 hours, is you want to go over here to manage my preferences after you click on the list and subscribers. So that you can then select notify me instantly. And there's multiple, we've only got the one list at the moment, so it'll just pull in just the one. But if you select that option, every time a lead comes through, it goes onto that list, you'll get an email in your inbox letting you know. You can also set up summaries, so you can do a daily, weekly, or a monthly summary of all the lists and how many people have come through. So I'd recommend jumping in there, setting up the notify me instantly notifications so they're coming into your inbox. If you don't have access and that this email here isn't connected, what I can do is just resend it maybe to another one, or if you want to change it, I can do that as well. Let me know, and have a good weekend, mate, and I'll chat to you soon. Bye.